In today's FX markets, let's take a look at the British pound futures as they're experiencing further upside today. We're seeing them now up for a third consecutive session, and today's price action is pushing them up over 1% currently, up about 1.25% at the 1.248 level, which is the top end of the range for today's price action. It also corresponds with the top end of the range for the last 2 weeks, as we are basically trading at 2-week highs here. And I think when you look at some of the factors today contributing to the continuation in the short-term trend, a couple things. Number one, data points coming out of the UK this morning, employment change data stronger than anticipated. So I think that helped boost the British pound futures today. Couple that with also some of the shifting dynamics within the market from a global perspective. We are seeing the dollar index coming under some selling pressure this last week, and that's certainly benefiting the pairs trades. And when you look at the euro, the British pound, the yen, some of those trends are reversing, at least short term, when you see some continued strength here for a third consecutive session. So I think those dynamics continue to shift. So when you look at just the general trends, the British pound futures are coming off basically 2-year lows just a couple of days ago. So this recovery here is still near the bottom end of the range for the last couple of years. And also when you look at it versus some of the other currency markets out there, we're seeing the euro coming off basically 5.5-year lows, and some of those shifting dynamics. And the U.S. dollar index now coming off of 20-year highs over the last week. So we are seeing that trending slightly lower here, about 103.5 today. So again, that shifting dynamic, as it does appear that some of the risk aversion that was being priced into the market, at least for the short term, is coming out. And we are seeing the British pound futures benefiting also, I believe, from the employment change data, which was stronger than expected this morning.